Alright, we gotta replace the battery and flex. It's getting old. Let's see what my mom bought for a battery. I think she bought the one I was hoping she'd get. Yeah, the gold. Oh, fuck. Oh, that's pretty fresh. Let's see, this is a 65 DLG. 850 cold cranking amps, and then we got 1,000 cranking amps at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. I think the Flex is gonna like this battery. Holy crap. Okay, we have a 8mm. This is my new Craftsman set. I'm gonna go ahead and undo the negative here. You know, I'm surprised these don't like corrode and stuff. Every other car we've had, didn't matter who made it, they just corroded. It scares me every time it. Okay. You have to reset the radio. Hopefully it's not like a Honda where you gotta redo the code. Get it vaguely loose. Okay. Wow, apparently I know what an 8mm looks like. You know, a socket would have been better for this job, but come on, damn it. Okay, so it's all, you know, C-clipped together. You can get all that dirt from California out of there. But it's too bad that strap wasn't for the battery. Okay, let's get our strap on. Ha! Now, if it doesn't fit with the strap, then you know you got an issue. I think this screw just needs a little bit of lube. And just make sure that you're seated down all the way, and she is. And we'll just kind of snug that down. That's not moving. Put that back on, and then we're off to the negative. Hey, our headlights came on. That must mean it's alive. Somebody farted. Okay, I think that's good enough. Alright, let's go see what shenanigans we got to deal with in the car. I think we're good here. Okay. Ignition, where are we at? We'll let her run for a couple minutes. Alright, it's kind of cattywampus, but let's clear the bitch. Okay. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Hell yeah. We're good to go. Hey, what's this battery say at? Just sitting. I'm not gonna be able to. Where am I? Sitting here, it's almost 13 volts. It's still an okay battery, but it did get tested and it came up that some cells are bad. But you know what? It's better to do it now, especially if it's an original battery. Don't mess around. And we're in the winter time. You know, this is Oregon. It doesn't really snow that much here in the valley, but when it does, it can get messy. You know, we've had a couple feet of snow here before, which is kind of rare, but it happens. And when you are out driving and that happens, and your battery dies while you're out, then you're just screwed. So make sure, no matter what year vehicle you have or what make, it doesn't matter if it's a Ford or Chevy or Dodge or Honda, replace your battery. Just because you have a brand that you think is awesome doesn't mean it's gonna not break down. Anyways, I'm not gonna get into the brand hate thing. I'm just letting you know, do your battery, just change it. Anyways, I'm gonna go for a little cruise. I'll update you if anything comes up, and I'll get it driving around so that some of the IM monitors can pop back up and we won't get 12 miles to the gallon.